I have just had a delivery. This is not any ordinary delivery. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. I thought I would open it and show you at the same time. I'm hoping it's going to be amazing. So let's have a look. Let's get out one of them first. Let's go for this one first. Dun, 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 dun. Now this is obviously not for resale, this one, because this is just my proof copy. My goodness, look what I have in my hand. I have, oh, sorts of blank ones at the end. I have an actual physical copy of my paper pack. Oh my goodness. Can we just appreciate how good this looks? Wow. Okay, so this is the one. I ordered one that was the 8.5 by 8. This is 8.5 by 8.5, and I ordered it in with a matte cover, and then I ordered the letter size with the glossy cover because I want to see the difference and see if the pages end up being matte and glossy. That looks way better than I expected it to look. I'm so pleased with that. So that's the 8.5 by 8.5. So these will be available on Amazon, whatever Amazon you're in. So if you're at amazon.com, amazon.co.uk, amazon.au, amazon. Whatever, you should be able to get these. Okay, so these will be live. At the time when this video goes up, these will be live. And obviously they won't have this on it. They'll be actually proper copies. This is just my proof copy. So that's the 8 by 8, 8.5 by 8.5. And then I've also got, ta-da! This is the letter size. So this is, I decided to go with the glossy. So we can cite the pages. So the pages, okay, so the pages aren't glossy. That's good. So, okay, so you've got the glossy and you've got the non-glossy. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to go for. We will see. But yeah, anyway, so this is the glossy outside. Got some blank pages at the back. And then here are the papers. And so obviously you've got... I've done them, you know, the ones that are actually landscape, I've done as landscape. And so I am very impressed with these. These look amazing. So there you go. So you've got the option of letter size and also 8.5 by 8.5. Now, I don't know yet. I might do a 6 by 6 as well. So let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a 6 by 6. I know a few people have said they wanted a 12 by 12. Amazon don't actually print a 12 by 12, but they do a 30 centimetre by 30 centimetre. So if you think that would be something you would like to see, let me know, because I can do them in different sizes. I think I prefer the matte cover. The colours are better in the gloss cover, but I think I prefer the matte cover. But let me know about that as well. So anyway, I mean, these will be up anyway, so I'll have chosen by the time you see this video. But let me know, because going forward I can, you know, choose one. But I'm very excited about this. This is a monumental moment right now. So yeah, on the back as well, I've put all the details on the back. So you've got, you know, you have all the different contact details. Some of you will notice I've made myself a little logo as well, just thought for the sake of my paper pads and just everything across the board, just thought it'd be quite nice to have a little logo. So there you go. Wow, can't believe I'm finally seeing my papers in a physical form. So for all of those of you who don't have a printer and have been desperate to get hold of my digital packs, you can now. So I will be slowly, this is why I'm not going to be launching a new digital kit every week, because I want to try and get some of my old kits into physical packs, and I also want to obviously get the newer kits into physical packs as well. So I need you to let me know which packs you would like to see in a physical pack. Petrol Head definitely is going to be up there. And my recent ones as well. So the Holly and Ivy one I'm going to do, the Grape Times, which I just launched, that's going to be up. Some of the male ones, Mr. Mechanical, I'll see. So yeah, actually I might do Mr. Mechanical. Definitely doing Petrol Head, that's definitely up there. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which other packs you would like to see as physical packs, and also sizes. I did do the poll, and the most popular was the letter size. And although we don't have letter size here in the UK, I decided to go for letter size because if you want to do an 8 by 8, you've got enough then to do, you know, 8 across and 8 wide, so you can kind of, it kind of works. So that's why I decided to go for a letter size rather than an A4, because these don't just, you know, with some paper pads you just tear them out, but because this is actually like a literal book, you kind of need, you know, you've got that extra space there. So 8 inches is there, so you've got from there, so you've got that whole section there, that little section there to cut down. So if you wanted to measure, you can easily cut down there, and then you do have an 8-inch width. So that's why I decided to do that. And the same with this, that's why I didn't go for 8 by 8 on this. I actually went for 8.5 for the same reason. So 8 inches is there. So from here to there, that little gap there, that is your 1/2 inch. So if you want an 8 by 8, you can have an 8 by 8, and obviously you've got a little bit more to play with at the top. So yeah, but I'm really pleased with the way these turned out. Wow, that's amazing. So yeah, there you go. So that's my exciting news that I've been wanting to share with you, but I was waiting, and literally these have literally come through my door just now. So this is it. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know what else to say. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and you know what pads you want to see physical copies of, what sizes, etc., because I can get that all sorted. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little quick video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.